So today we are going to discuss about like select class. So let's see what are the different methods we have in the select class. So generally, what is the use of select class is like we want to select the drop down options. Using the select class, we'll select the drop down options. Okay. So whatever the application you are automating, so in that generally they will provide this select drop down. Using the select drop down, we'll automate like we want to select the countries or we want to select the date of birth and all these things we have, right? So we use select class. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about this selected tag. So everyone aware about this select tag, right? Select tag in the sense whenever the developer develop the application, at the time what he will do is like he will develop the application with the help of select tag whenever he developing. Okay, so this is the select class. Using this select class, he will develop the drop down. Or else there is another way to develop the drop downs, that is like they will use UL tags. Okay, UL, and inside that they will provide LI tags and all. Okay, so first of all we'll discuss about this, and then and again how without the select tag how we can select that particular option also we'll discuss. Okay, so there's a select tag. Inside the select tag, we have options. Using that, we need to select the particular like country language. Okay. So for example, here we have a different languages. These are the different languages. So inside that, I want to select a Hindi language. I want to select only Hindi language. Okay. Let's see where is the Hindi language is there. This is the Hindi language. Okay. So now let me inspect on this. Let me right click, or otherwise we need to search inside this. Where is the Hindi present? Okay. So this is the Hindi language. So I want to select this Hindi language in this Wikipedia. Okay. So first of all, what we can do? Let's write a code. Yeah. So let me copy the code. This one. So I'll copy up to here and I'll paste it here. And here, instead of this URL, what I'm doing is like I'm entering this wikipedia.org. Okay, so here I'm pasting this URL. So once I paste this URL, application will navigate to the wikipedia.org. Sorry, org. Once it is navigated, then first of all we need to check what is the actions class we have. Okay, let's go to the actions class. Not actions class, select class. Sorry, select class. Okay. So we have a different thing. Okay. We can go this selenium, the initial document in the selenium. Let's be part of the different select methods we have. We'll see. Maybe it is taking time. Okay. So So we have we have one constructor that is called select, and inside that what we are passing is like we are passing a web element. Okay, passing web element. After that, we are having a method called a deselect all, deselectable text, and a deselectable value, and deselectable visible text. All these things we have. And also we have a method called get select all options, get all options selected, get first selected options. Then here These are the most important methods we have, like get selected by index, selected by value, selected by visible text, all these things. So let's use all these methods. Okay. First of all, first what we need to do is like we need to write a locator for this select class. Okay. So what I will do is like I will write a locator for this select class. So how I can write a locator slash select at the rate id equals to value is a search. Okay. So once I'll pass this thing, I'll copy this locator. And so in the select class, what is a constructor we have? So we have a constructor that is select web element, right? Select web element. So first of all, we need to create a web element. For that, how we can create a web element? We write like driver dot find element, find element by dot xpath. Inside this, I'm passing this web element, and it will return me the web element. Okay, web element, I'll pass element. Okay. So once we created the web element, then what I want to do is like I want to create a class object for select class. So select s equals to new select of I'm passing this web element. So I want to import this thing. So import what I'm doing is like I'm importing this thing. And again, using this reference s dot select by index. So if you want to pass a specific index, so it will get the index. Or otherwise, if you want to pass the visible text, sorry, sorry guys. If you want to pass the visible text, so whatever the text present, it will select that thing. Or otherwise, if you want to pass by value, so it will select by value. Okay. So let me take this select by value and then let me go to the application. And here I want to select only Hindi, right? So what I will do is like I want to take a value of Hindi. So this is the value. Okay. So let's copy this value and go to the application and you need to place within the double. Okay, within the double quotes. Okay, let's run this thing. Run as Java application. So it is launching the application. You can able to see it is launching the application. So once it is loaded, you can able to see it is selected a value Hindi. You can able to see, right? Are you guys able to see? Right? It is selected a language Hindi.
Yes.
Yeah. So like this will select the language like Wikipedia inside that. So other than this, instead of selecting by value, what we can do is like we can give visible text as well. Visible text in the sense we whatever the text is visible, it will select that particular thing. Okay. So with the help of visible text, what I do is like I will select this Francis language. Okay. So yeah. Or otherwise I can take English. English is already selected one. Yeah, I'll take this one. We copy this, and instead of this, select by value. What I can Is my screen is visible, right? Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Actually, audio is not clear.
Audio was not clear. Okay. Let me-
Yes.
Okay, give me a minute time. Removing everything.
Okay.
Hello. I'm audible. Yeah. Now my voice is clear, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. No, it is
Yeah.
very clear.
Okay. So let me know. Are you able to see my screen? Is my screen is visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So we have a method called select by visible text. Using that select by visible text, what we can do is like we can select the application. So let's run this. Yeah, let's run this one. Now you can able to see the language is selected. Language is selected. So like this, what we can do, we can select the language by value. I'll select by value and select by visible text. Okay. And one more thing, we have one more method that is called select by index. So index thing is like what we can do generally. So here right we can write s dot select by index select by index. Inside that I will pass index 2, so I don't know whatever the index it has. So I need to capture all these things. So first of all, I think it will take this thing. Okay. Or otherwise what we can consider like string stores the data in the form of index, right? So the first one is like 0 and second one is 1 and the third one is like second index and the fourth one is like this one is like fourth index. So I want to select the fourth one, so I will pass index 3. I'll pass index 3. Okay. So let's see. And this one is the deselect thing. I don't want deselect. I want only the select thing. Okay. Let me run one more time. So you can able to see it got selected the fourth one. Okay. So like this we will select. These are the three major methods we'll use for selecting the values. Okay. And and also we have we have a method like we have a method called get selected option. Okay, get selected option, first option. Okay, get selected first option means whatever the option we selected, whatever the option is already selected, we are getting that value. Okay, let's take the string. What it is, let me remove this thing and let me check what it will return. So it will return a web element. So I want to write web element, write element, and so I want to print the text, right? So for that, what I will do is like element one dot get text, element one dot get text. So get text method is used to print the text. Okay, let me run the first selected option. Okay, means whenever the application launches at the time, what value will get, we'll check. Okay. You can able to see the first selected language is English. So let's go to the console and let's check the language is in English. Okay. So like this, we will like print the value. S dot get first selected option. First selected option means whatever already selected, it will give that value. Okay. And one more thing, one more method we have, that is like S dot get S dot get options. Get options. Okay. So this is the method which will return all the options which is present in the application. All the options which is present in the application. Okay. So it will return as a list of web elements. So what I will do is like write like element. So here what we need to do is like we need to iterate this thing. Iterate in the sense we need to write a for loop for this to print all the values. For that, what I will do is like I will write like web element, write like element colon, I'll pass list element, and I will give the for loop. And here, yeah, here I can give list elements. Okay, let's see here. What I can do is like I can write options, and here I'll write options. So I want to print the text for each of the options. So what I will do is like I'll write system.out.println option dot get text. Okay, option dot get text. Okay. So let me save this one and let me run. And also if you want to print the count of this web element, so what I will do is like I will write system.out.println options dot size. Okay, options dot size. Okay, save, save, and let me run. So here what it is happening, it is printed all the all the options. These are all the options which is present in the Wikipedia. Okay, the size is 70. Size is 70. Okay. These are all the options which is present in the Wikipedia. Okay, like this we will get. And one more thing, like if in case if the application is not developed with the select class, so at that time how we can automate? How we can automate? Let's see that one as well. So for that we need to take any other application, open a new tab. Let's go to this tools QA or otherwise like real-time application. Let's see one dummy application. These are the dummy applications which is present. Okay, it will show you the list of dummy applications. So inside that you can automate any of them. You can choose and you can automate any of them. Let me take this. Let me check is there any options and all. Portal to do list and login portal contact us problem checkboxes. Yeah. Let's take this thing. So let me open this. So if it is developed in the select class, it didn't work. Okay. Oh no, it will not work for us. instead of this thing, I want another application which is not developed with the like select class. E-commerce cloud application is it is there for us. Let's check. Yeah, this one is coming, but let's the deal picker will discuss about it. Want the drop down. Let me go to the another application. This one. Not selling, but so generally, in the regular applications, generally it will show the list. Okay. So using that, we need to automate. So in this, which is not present, so I will check and I will let you know. So generally, the actions class, are you getting right? How we can automate the like using actions class? How we can get all the options? How we can select? Okay. Is it clear, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. So, so generally we will automate like this, like using the get option, like yeah, get options. It will return as a list of web elements, and after that we are selecting by index and selecting by value and selecting by visible text. And also same way, we can deselect the value with the help of by index and deselecting the value with the help of yeah, with the help of value and deselecting the value, deselecting by visible text. All these things we have in the select class. Okay, like this we will do. And one more thing, yeah, one more thing, like these the select class is most important thing. You need to practice like whatever we have. So we can create our own itself also with the help of select class. Okay. Like you can create a .html file and you can take that thing and you can automate that thing as well. Okay. So is it clear? Select class. Everyone, is it clear? Select class.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So the same thing. So whenever we are facing an issue, like whenever we are facing an issue, like we are automating the application. So at the time, so like whenever we are running the automation test cases in the suit level, so there is a failure occurs. So at the time, what we can do is like now, what we can do generally, we'll check the locator and we find that locator and we'll replace that thing. But the client will ask, like, why this case is failing? What is the reason behind this? And I want a screenshot for that. Like that, they will ask. I want a screenshot for that. I want a proper evidence for that. Why it is failing and where it is failing. I want a proper evidence like that. He will ask. Client will ask. So at that time, what we can do is like we have an interface called take screenshot. Take screenshot. Okay, using that, what we can do is like we can take the screenshots. Take the screenshots. So here, what I can do, I'll comment this code, and also I will comment this code, and here, yeah, I comment this code, and here I want to verify the selected value. I want to verify the selected value. So for that, what I will do is like I will take this thing, I'll take this thing and I want to validate. Okay. So for that, what I can do is like I can write a if condition if the selected value, selected text is equals to Hindi. Okay, equals to Hindi. So if it is true, like if it is true, just I'm writing. If the condition is true, I want to print true, or we can say it is verified like that, or otherwise we want to say false. Okay, so I want to verify this thing. So what I will do, I'll write like I'm doing this verification. So at that time, whenever the test case got failed, I want to take a screenshot. Want to take a screenshot. So for that, we have an interface called take take screen screen shot yes equals to. So what we are doing is like here we are doing a downcasting. For that downcasting, what I'm writing is like take screen screen shot and then downcasting with the driver. Once I downcast with the driver, so I want to import this take screenshot interface, and also it will return me the take screenshot only. Once we downcast this thing, what I'm doing is like I'm writing ps dot get screenshot as get screenshot as. So I'll pass output type output type output type dot dot file. Okay, output dot type dot file. Okay, so and it will return me the file. Okay, it will return me a file. So here what I will do is like I'll write file yeah like take screenshot ts equals to new take screenshot and let me import this. Let me do this. Let me import this file. Let me remove this thing. First of all, I'll write file ts dot get screenshot as, and here output output type dot file output type dot file, and it will return me a file. Just file input file. Let me remove this option. So once we imported this thing, then I want to move this file to the specific direction. So what I will do is like I'll write files and move. So here from to. Okay. So from means like where the file is present and where I want to move. So from so what I will do is like I will write file, and here what I can do is like I will pass the new file location. So here I will directly write screenshot folder. Inside the screenshot folder, I want to maintain that like screenshot. So I can write screenshot dot png. Okay, you can give anything format, png format or lpg format. It's up to you. So once the test case got failed, so at that time we need to validate this thing. So I can write like HR, and let's run this code. here also I want to remove this thing. You save one more error is there. What is this file? Okay. So here it will throw an exception. For handling this exception, what we can do is like we can try, and here at the end I can write catch exception e dot print stack trace, or otherwise you can write anything. Okay. Save and do right click, run as Java. Okay. So here the application got failed. Okay, application got failed, but here you can not able to see the system can't find the specified path, means whatever path you have given, the system unable to find the thing. So let me do one thing. So let's try this thing. So first of all, we need to create this screenshot folder, or otherwise what I can do is like I can write directly this thing. It will directly paste it here. Let me run one more time. Now you can able to see it didn't throw any kind of error. It didn't throw any kind of error. So let me open this uh, yeah, application like project, and let me do the right click and refresh it. So now you can able to see we got the screenshot. We got the screenshot. Let me open this in local system. Like open with not Internet Explorer. Open with system editor. Let's wait until it loads. Otherwise, what we can do one thing, right click, properties. Here we can go like this. It will take us to that particular location. Let me open this. Let's wait until it loads. Yeah, now you can able to see you got captured the screenshot. Got captured the screenshot. Like this, whenever the test case got failed, so like this we will capture the screenshot. Not only the entire screenshot, we can capture the particular element screenshot as well. Particular element screenshot as well. Okay, let me show that thing as well. So is it clear, right? How we are writing? Just what we are doing is like we are writing take screenshot ts equals to, and we are downcasting this thing with the help of driver, and using this take screenshot reference, we are calling the method get screenshot as, and again what we are doing is like we are uh, capturing it dot file format, the file format, and it is returning to us that file format, and using files method we are moving whatever we capturing, right, whatever we captured that file we are moving to new location. Is it clear, everyone, what I am doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this we will do, like this we will capture the screenshot. Okay, this is capturing whole entire screenshot, whatever we have. So if you want to capture only the particular element screenshot, so at that time how we can handle, I'll show you. Okay, so instead of this Hindi, I directly write Hindi, it will return as a true. And after that, I want to capture only the drop down thing. So for that, what I will do is like I'll write element dot get screenshot as, you can able to see, get screenshot as, so it will return, like we need to write this written type like file, like output type dot file. So once we have written this, it will return as a file. I can write fe, I can write, and here I want to take this file from the new location. I want to store the destination folder. So here I can write screenshot element. Okay. So here I can write directly here. Okay, element screenshot, or we can say element file. That's why I have written like this. Let me run this thing. You can capture only that particular element. You can capture only that particular element. So it got selected Hindi, and after that there is no error. There is no error. So we'll get two type of screenshots. And one more thing, I'll tell you how to make the screenshot unique, screenshot name unique and all. Going forward, I will discuss that thing as well. So here, let me refresh the project. Okay, so we got two screenshots. So let me open this element screenshot. Right click properties. You can able to see we captured only the particular element. We captured only that particular element. Okay. So like this we will perform, like this will perform the capturing screenshots. Capturing screenshots. Okay. For specific element and for specific like entire application, we capture the screenshot like this. Okay. So like this will capture the screenshot for particular element and the web page. And there is a one more way, that is like we'll capture whole application. So by tomorrow we'll discuss about how we'll capture the whole application screenshot. So just we captured only whatever which is present in front of us, that one only we captured. There is a one more way to capture whole application. Okay, we'll discuss that one as well. So is it clear so far whatever we discussed?
Farooq, now we got that particular screenshot as English now, Farooq.
Yeah.
Uh, so we have written it now as a Hindi only, but we got English.
Yeah, actually, sure, like whenever the application launch, right? So at that time we capture.
Sorry, voice is good.
Yeah, actually, what we did is like whenever the application launches, right? So at that
Okay,
time we capture it.
okay. Whenever the first element, it will capture only the first element, right?
Yeah, it will capture like complete screenshot. So if you don't want that thing, like you can take that particular element and you can capture that.
Okay.
So is it clear, right?
Yes.
So everyone, is it clear?
Yes.
So please let me know if you have any doubts, and like please do practice like the environment setup and all. Please do practice so it would be easy for you. Okay, and capturing screenshots and all. So tomorrow I'll show you like without select class how can we perform, like how can we select a particular element in the drop down, and how can we capture entire screenshot, like entire application screenshot in the application. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, guys. So thank you everyone for joining. Tomorrow we'll continue with the same time or morning time. Okay.
oh, oh, okay. And
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Bye.